You will always find in AutoCAD electrical drawings that you have to edit your wire numbers. We've already set up our source arrow there and our destination arrow there. And you can see that they've adopted the actual wire number P1L003 for source and destination. And as soon as that destination arrow was placed there, this wire adopted obviously that wire number as well. It's all part of the same wire network. What happens if you change or edit your wire number? We've stayed in the same drawing, demo02.dwg in project demo 10. I'm now going to go to edit my wire number. I'm going to edit this wire here. So I go to the schematic tab on the ribbon, edit wires, wire numbers panel, and I just click on here and edit wire number. And I select this wire here. Now, as soon as I do that, I get the insert wire number dialog box, and it does a zoom extents. Now, if you don't want a zoom extents, you can just click on zoom, and it will zoom you to the location where that wire is, which is here. Now, I'm not going to make this wire number fixed. If I do that, I can't edit it again. So here, you'll notice these are in white, in a white layer. That means they're fixed. I can unfix them, but I don't want this particular wire fixed. And you'll notice that P1L003 there is in green, indicating it is a non-fixed wire number. So I'm going to change the wire number there to, I'll still keep the P1 and the L, but then I'm going to add 100 instead of 003. If I click on OK, quick flash there as the drawing updates and the database behind it updates, and you'll notice here, P1L100, P1L100. It then selects wire or component for fixed. Now, I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to hit escape there. I don't want it to be fixed. Here's my dilemma. My destination arrow still thinks that that is all P1L003. So how do I update it? Well, this is where these little references come in useful, because you can go and locate your destination arrow if you've updated your source signal arrow, for example. So what I do now is I go back to destination arrow, select the wire end for the destination. The code is source 001. That's great. The sheet is 002 and the reference is 203. So that can all stay the same. That's not going to change. But what we can do is we can go and pick an entity on the source network. Now we're going to go and pick the same one. Now I could erase this destination arrow and change it. But what I've got to do is select the source arrow that I need to go to this destination arrow. So I do the same as I did before when I placed the original destination arrow. Click on pick, and I select a wire or arrow on the source network. So that's this one here. It all updates, and you'll notice everything updates on the destination arrow, everything updates on the wiring that comes off of that destination arrow. You can see that you can edit and update your source and destination arrows using that simple workflow.